beautiful visa Spain. My favorite girl who is about to get.
여기 달달한 시간을 보내고 있는 한 커플이 있었고
It's like we're honeymooners.
이어 프로포즈 각을 잡는 남자.
You're my best friend in the whole world. Will you marry me?
Yes.
Yeah. I love you.
둘은 세상에서 가장 아름다운 시간을 보내고 있었는데요.
Let me get drinks. Oh, thank you. Dos bebidas, if that's right.
그런데 갑자기 시작된 무차별 총기 난사. 미치는 서둘러 약혼녀에게 달려가 보는데 결국 사랑하는 그녀를 눈앞에서 잃어버리고 말았습니다. 그로부터 1년 반이라는 시간이 흘렀고 그는 복수를 위해 매일 훈련하고 정보를 찾아다녔죠. 그리고 마침내 약혼녀를 죽인 자들에게 닿을 수 있었고 그들은 미 정부에 불만을 가진 테러리스트들이었습니다. 그들의 응답을 기다리는 동안에도 훈련을 쉬지 않았는데 평범한 남자로 살았던 그는 지난 1년 반 동안 훈련하며 자신이 비범한 신체 능력을 가지고 있음을 알게 됩니다. 이 모든 것은 사랑하는 약혼녀의 복수를 위함이었죠.
I didn't realize it was past 10. I'll try to keep it down.
얼마 후 그는 드디어 테러범들의 초대를 받게 되었고
Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam.
드디어 고대하던 목표물을 앞에 둔 상황.
Why have you come? I don't trust you. I'm prepared to die a martyr.
그런데 또 다른 누군가가 이곳을 급습했고 미치는 복수할 기회를 잃어버렸죠. 급습한 자들의 정체는 바로 CIA였습니다.
You wanted to kill them all and then go and kill him.
Let's talk about what happened after that day on the beach. I must have lost interest in everything.
그리고 미치를 흥미있는 시선으로 보고 있는 CIA 부국장 아이린.
And like the new look, you wouldn't have made it through the next 20 seconds there alive. Wipe out his whole cell.
For starters,
I'm gonna let you in on something. I can help you with it if you throw in with us.
joining the CIA. Why the hell would I trust you?
Because I believe in you.
알고 보니 아이린은 지난 6개월간 미치를 관찰했었고
Might be the best I've ever seen.
We've had him under surveillance for 6 months.
테러 조직 또한 그의 뒤를 밟다가 소탕했던 것이었는데 그녀는 미치가 테러 조직들을 모두 없애고 싶어 한다는 강한 의지를 알고 있었죠.
What happened to that kid on the beach? It changed him.
Polygraph?
Flying colors.
결국 그를 CIA 요원으로 받아들이기로 결심합니다.
You can take the blindfold off.
아이린은 미치의 훈련을 위해 전설적인 요원에게로 그를 데려갔고
Ex-Navy SEAL. My daddy served with him in the Persian Gulf.
그 요원의 이름은 헐리로 괴짜스럽지만 실력만큼은 모두가 인정했습니다.
He's off the charts.
I've seen off the charts before.
Go back on the patch for God's sake.
그렇게 헐리와 첫 대면을 하게 되었고
Hey. It's front and center. You talk to me, you call me sir, son. What makes you think you can make it through my selection
My
process?
guess is if you and I go hand to hand, you could probably figure out inside of 20 seconds what. Heard a lot about you, by the way. Excited to see what you got.
최정의 요원 오리온을 뽑는 선발 시험이 시작되고
Right there. No noise, no meth. Victor, you're up.
You gotta have eyes in the back of your head.
Ryan is about the mission. It ain't about you. You go down out there, you're a ghost. You don't exist.
You're about to be captured. Bye-bye.
그러던 어느 날 핵무기를 만들 때 사용되는 플루토늄이 러시아에서 대량으로 사라져버린 사건이 발생했고
I'm afraid we too are in the dark.
We have a treaty.
각국에선 이를 적극적으로 해결하라는 태도가 없었습니다.
Gentlemen, I very much appreciate you meeting with us.
결국 CIA는 오리온의 힘이 필요한 상황이었죠.
How ready is Orion?
I'll check in with Hurley.
You're all dead!
You're dead. Say something to me. Say it. Go on, say it.
These are your targets. You shoot a combatant, get a point, you miss, you get a shot. Ready?
한편 은밀한 거래가 이루어지고 있는 이곳.
Raw plutonium, highly enriched as promised.
That's a beautiful sound, gentlemen.
Wire the money.
That I can do.
Musicie przeparkować wszystkie wany. Kardynał przyjeżdża. Co się tutaj dzieje?
Dobroszyna, wyjścia.
순식간에 모두를 죽이고 유유히 탈출하는 한 남자가 있었죠. 사실 이 남자의 정체는 전 오리온 요원이었고 그 중에서도 최고의 실력을 가졌던 론이었습니다. 잠시 후 아이린은 헐리를 만나러 왔고
Decommissioned Russian plutonium facility.
I want to show you something. Is that face bone or gone for you? That's our mad dog out there.
Hamdi Sharif. He's an arms dealer working out of Turkey. We go in, we fuck up their deal.
And we take them both out.
헐리는 이스탄불로 이동해 로니와 무기상을 동시에 잡을 계획을 세웁니다.
Want to see me, sir?
You like movies?
Sure.
Why are you even alive, Rap? You ever asked yourself that? Want me to turn it up?
You like a fucking coward, you know that? Turn that shit off.
Let emotion cloud your judgment.
Be ready to go by 5.
See you at 4:30.
Wait for my orders. Not a button.
Push comes in this.
이들은 현지 정보원인 애니카와 함께 이동했고
Hamdi Sharif, real estate mogul / arms dealer.
Not a crusade.
Rap, you and Annika are eyes on.
Quick, clean, no footprint.
미치는 애니카와 함께 감시 역할이었는데
Where the hell are you going?
Alpha Edison.
그의 돌발 행동 덕분에 정보를 얻을 수 있었고
11 a.m. tomorrow. Meeting at a restaurant on Akbayik Street.
All right, we go tomorrow. Your lead. Your backup.
다음날 임무를 수행하기 위해 움직이죠.
Harune kokusu var. Don't think too much. You'll lose your nerve. It'll be your first time.
Not in my mind.
정보대로 시간에 맞춰 함디가 나타났고
Oh, come on now, honey. Don't be mad.
Agent, call it in or I'll cut your fucking throat.
한 발 앞서 경호원들을 다른 곳으로 유인하는 헐리.
Lead your go. Survey 2, get in place.
모든 작전이 순조롭게 진행되는 듯 보였으나 이상한 낌새를 눈치챈 론이
Target's gone. Lead.
Dead.
Mission terminated.
하지만 또다시 단독 행동을 하는 미치.
Sir! Sir!
Şimdi orada. 5. katta.
함디가 있는 장소를 알아내는 데 성공하죠.
Sürekli acele ettiriyorsun.
Please don't.
함디를 제거하는 데 성공하지만 단독 행동을 책망받게 되고
Dissipated director.
Fucking job to do what I fucking tell you to do.
Stan,
Can't even follow a fucking order.
do you have any idea how long that kid's talent and ball?
Look at this.
The trigger must have been in that car.
어찌되었든 로니가 플루토늄을 가져간 상황이었죠.
I should have left him in the Navy.
He's got a trigger. Now he needs to buy a physicist.
Evidence of a $2 million transfer to a bank account in Rome.
한편 로니는 누군가와 접선해 핵무기에 대해 회의 중이었죠.
Don't like his own.
Inside 3 miles, apparently he just vaporized. Inside 5 miles, everything's sucked into a void.
My physicist.
He'll pick up his money, then we'll pick him up.
하지만 오리온도 이미 움직이고 있었고
Tell us something good, darling.
We're in their system. Withdrawal from Sharif's account. 2 million.
There's our physicist. Let's go.
로니보다 한 발 빨리 과학자에게 접근하고 있었죠. 이들이 도착한 곳은 어느 호텔이었고
Thank you. He's in 1448 and we're next door.
과학자의 옆방에 방을 잡습니다.
48, 1449, right next door.
Signal every 15 minutes.
여기서 대기하다 누군가 접근하면 일망타진할 계획이었고 늦은 저녁까지 과학자를 감시 중이었는데
I know what happened to you. I understand you. Know what it's like to lose people you love.
아주 잠시 한눈을 판 사이 오히려 적들에게 붙잡혀버리고 말았죠.
Hurley, where is he? He outside?
헐리의 등장으로 무사히 구출되지만 로니를 놓치고 말았고
What's the target? What's the target? That is a man. That is a man they call Ghost.
Ghost? Is that his name? Why is this guy after you?
Bring yourself up.
미치는 아직 헐리와 로니에게 얽힌 사연을 알지 못했죠.
I was afraid today. I thought we were going to die. I'll search for ghosts tomorrow.
어째서인지 고스트라는 단어를 알고 있는 애니카.
It scared me.
Who are you? Who are you?
What's wrong with you?
Who do you work for? Tell me the truth. Running intelligence? Are you running intelligence? What do you know about ghosts?
이의 짐작대로 애니카의 정체는 이란 쪽 스파이였고
All I could get from her was her handler, Azad.
헐리는 애니카의 상관이자 자신의 옛 동료인 아자드를 만나러 갑니다.
I still have it. Your girl's tough, by the way. What have you got for me?
이 일의 배후엔 이란 소속 베우르즈 장관이 있었고
Both are very angry about the nuclear treaty, and they are the one who hired the mercenary corps. Guy's been tracking his movements through his cell phone.
그런데
Mission failed.
헐리는 기습을 당하게 되고
Guy he trained? Who the hell is he?
Years experience, talk to me. Until then, shut up and do your job.
이들은 아자드의 시체가 항구에서 발견되었다는 정보를 듣게 됩니다.
That's the guy who really went to me. So what do? We gotta go after him.
This is now a joint CIA Mossad
You're just gonna write him off then?
You're through here. You're going home. That's an order.
하지만 이대로 포기할 미치가 아니었고
Why are you helping me?
I'm going after him. I need your help.
비록 스파이였지만 그녀 또한 고스트를 맡기에 진심이었죠. 한편 로니에게 붙잡혀 있던 헐리
I wanna show you some.
All right. Savages, right, Stan? I blame you.
Never would have happened if you would have followed orders, Ronnie.
You should have come for me. Put 10 men's lives in danger.
Shawnee had our people tracking Minister Beru's secure cell phone.
미치는 길거리에서 차량을 훔쳤고 베우르즈를 추적하면 헐리의 위치를 알 수 있었죠.
It was Minister Beruz and General Rostami who had him killed. We tried to stop them. Corviali, turn here.
한편 이제야 미치의 행방에 대해 듣게 되는 아이린
Surveillance cameras picked up Raab taking out our agents 5 minutes ago.
The bomb is armed.
갑자기 이란 측 사람들을 공격하는 론이 처음부터 그는 이란에 협조할 생각이 아니었습니다.
Dead zone. We're not getting any signals here.
Wait a second.
다행히 제대로 찾아온 듯 보였고
Why are we in Rome, Ronnie?
I think I want water. Something peaceful by dying at sea.
Let's get over it.
Your creation, Stan. Thousands of Americans are gonna burn. Enjoy the show.
에리카의 총성이 싸움의 시작을 알렸고 미치는 갑자기 차량을 가지러 갑니다.
Explosion detected.
Delta 1, go!
Let's go.
Get a chopper out there.
미치는 붙잡혀있던 헐리를 구해주었고
There's another passage down there. He's got the nuke.
이제 로니와의 최종 승부가 남아있었죠.
Put the gun down, or she's dead.
I want to see my family.
애니카는 스스로를 희생했고 배를 타고 도주하려는 로니. 하지만 미치가 배에 따라 붙었고
Bomb can't be stopped.
Irene, the bomb's on a boat.
Oh my god.
로니의 계획은 6개의 함대에 폭탄을 들이받을 계획이었죠.
Inbound, small vessel force.
Didn't Hurley teach you anything, little brother?
Who's driving that boat?
Rap.
We are going to throw the bomb in the water.
If we don't engage, that guarantees detonation.
There he is. Get me on that boat's marine bandwidth. Throw the bomb overboard! Take a goddamn order! 6 fleet's about to blow you to hell!
Commander, hold your fire. Bombs in the water.
Got less than 30 seconds!
상상을 초월하는 충격이 있었지만 다행히 인명피해는 없었고 테러를 막아내는 데 성공합니다.
Shouldn't account for me.
Don't get used to it, son.
Pressure is normalized. We have multiple hull breaches.
Initiating countermeasure washdown.
My prayers are with you all.
Hurley, is Rap there?
Yeah, go ahead.
Saved a lot of lives today. You look like the mummy.
하지만 여전히 이번 사건의 배후가 남아 있었는데요.
They say General Rustami is going to be the next president of Iran. Where's Rap? I can't reach him.
이렇게 영화는 막을 내립니다.
Да. Your cover's blown. Go to the embassy now. Okay.
1985년 러시아에 있던 CIA 요원들의 신원이 발각되었고
Девушку, пройдемте вместе с нами.
В смысле, я же перевожу.
Пожалуйста, ваши документы.
I'm an American citizen.
Идите за мной.
Madam?
Call Ambassador Hartman.
I want you to deliver a message.
그렇게 요원들은 모두 붙잡히거나 죽음을 피할 수 없었고 얼마 후 여운의 머리들이 담긴 소포가 미국에 배송되었죠. 그로부터 5년의 시간이 흘렀습니다.
There's one spot I haven't tried though. A market.
한 남자가 모델을 구하기 위해 러시아에 방문했고 그는 모스크바에 있는 한 시장에 방문했죠. 그리고 발견한 한 여자.
Простите, пожалуйста. Вас что-то интересует?
Honestly, I'm interested in you. In becoming a model in Paris.
I know nothing about modeling.
I'm sure you're a fast learner. What's your name?
Anna.
Magnifique.
그렇게 안나는 파리로 넘어오게 되었고
Welcome to Paris. Welcome to your new home. How was the flight?
It was great.
Yeah.
I've already put your photo out there and people are going crazy about
John McKee's a big boss. Delighted to have you with us.
Welcome to your new home.
격한 환영을 받으며 이곳에서 생활하게 되었고 다음날 첫 촬영이 있었습니다.
Get out of my frame. Get out.
Smile, please. Relax and smile. More emotion.
기대보다 모델로서의 천부적인 재능을 보이는 안나. 얼마 후 파티에도 참여하게 되었고
Oleg, my friend. We've got some amazing new talent, and
Who's she? Over there.
Anna M. Meet your new supplier.
Can I get you something? Thank you.
이곳에서 회사의 거대 주주인 올레그를 만나게 됩니다.
Nastrovia. No, I have a place in London, but I mostly live in St. Petersburg. If I invited you to dinner, would that be considered too fast?
그렇게 둘은 2개월간 매일 만나며 교제했고
You kiss me again. Am I a toy?
No. I don't want to be one of the girls you're just going to throw away.
What more do I have to say to convince you?
Like, what is your job?
I've told you I'm an import-export. It's boring.
안나가 계속 해묻자 올레그는 결국 불법적인 일들까지 공유해줍니다.
Oh.
They need food,
occasionally some weapons.
Not very many countries you help like that.
Libya, Somalia.
Okay, stop. Stop. I don't want to
Chechnya.
know.
I shouldn't be having this conversation with anyone. My life for your love.
Where's the bathroom?
드디어 뜨밤에 성공하나 싶었는데 안나는 옷에서 수상한 것을 꺼내더니 시간은 3년 전으로 거슬러 올라갑니다. 과거 남자친구를 잘못 만나 약물의 세계에 발을 들인 안나. 그녀는 이러한 삶에서 벗어나기 위해 해군에 지원하려 하는데
Ты мне не веришь? Ты в меня не веришь, что ли? Ты готова была торговать с собой, чтобы не помереть. Дал тебе все, чтобы ты каждый день кайфовал. Смотри мне в глаза, когда я с тобой разговариваю, блядь.
어둠만이 가득한 삶이었습니다.
О, Ань, с этого дня куда тебе надо? Это та самая классная жизнь, которую я тебе... Садись, садись, чуть как не рад. Погода хорошая.
Мы не домой едем.
Нам надо купить тебе новое платье.
Петя, выпусти меня из машины.
Приехали.
Петь!
Самое быстро, 5 минут.
Заткнись, сука!
Вот что вводи, сука. Тут нету 4000, сука. Где деньги?
Поехали домой.
Ты не видишь, я работаю. Сука.
Петя!
Блядь, они убили Влада!
결국 경찰과의 추격전이 이어지고
Петя!
안나가 탄 차와 경찰차 모두 전복되어 버리고 말았죠.
Давай пойдем домой.
Собирай вещи. Должны свалить через 5 минут.
그렇게 집으로 돌아왔는데 누군가 안나를 기다리고 있었습니다.
Anna Polyatova, I understand you speak English. You all have turning points in our lives. I'm here to tell you this is one of those moments.
Ты что сидишь, собирайся.
A few days ago, you filed an application to enlist in the... Your father was a lieutenant, but you didn't write that in the application. But you dropped out at 17.
After my parents died.
It says here you like chess. You have talents and skills that we can help you develop. Mostly, though, you're a blank key, which means you have the potential to open many. 1 year's military training, 4 years operational, and in 5 years you're free to go.
I've seen your face.
You see, I told you you had a sharp mind.
또다시 3년이 지난 시점, 올레그를 죽인 이후의 시점입니다. 그녀는 살인 혐의로 CIA에게 붙잡혀 와 있었죠.
What's she doing in there?
Nervous.
What about her shoes? She been playing with them, slipping them on and off?
I haven't noticed.
Sorry I didn't introduce myself. I'm Agent Leonard Miller, top flight model in what, 6 months? It's like that story of the little match girl. You know that story? What was the nature of your relationship with Oleg Filenko?
He flirted with me, but everybody does.
Then on Tuesday 27th, you entered Lamori's. You left the hotel at 2:23, see?
At the lounge bar, and I waited for him, but
Did you notice anything suspicious?
like what?
Tapes were erased. It's like we're dealing with pros.
I'm new in town. I'm working.
I've never seen a fashion show. Must be incredible. We should keep in touch.
심증은 있지만 물증이 없기에 레너드는 안나를 놓아주게 되죠. 그리고 지금으로부터 6개월 전
I don't see what I can do with her. She has no higher education.
Marksmanship, acting. She's beaten everyone at chess.
But she's not the profile we're looking for.
KGB의 간부 올가는 안나가 탐탁지 않았고
Her general knowledge, her ability to generate options on the
Like a
spot.
captive cast to the bottom of a deep. I'm fated to emerge victorious.
Chekhov, the play within the play.
Your favorite play.
I'll take her. Doesn't work out, I'll send her home in body bag.
안나는 KGB 요원이 되기 위한 테스트를 보게 됩니다.
You'll be at one of the back tables.
And the gun?
Well, we'll be waiting with the car. You have 5 minutes.
그런데 올가가 준 총은 총알이 비어 있었고
That's 5 minutes. Let's go.
What about his phone? Accomplishing this mission in 5 minutes is impossible.
I gave you 5 minutes, you took 5 hours. Should have checked your equipment. You know why I have a limp.
Minor accident in Chechnya.
That's the official version. So I dragged a steel jaw on my leg and said trouble never sends a warning.
올가는 사실 안나가 마음에 들었고 그녀와 함께 일하기로 결심합니다.
Welcome to your new home.
Thank you. Hello.
Settling in? Do you want to get dinner?
I'd love to, but Olga dumped a huge pile of work on me.
We'll find another time.
Yeah, another time.
So, you get paid to look for girls? You're struggling to find pretty girls in Moscow? The market on Izmailovsky Park.
He's entering the market. He'll be with you in 5 minutes.
안나가 모델이 되는 것 또한 모두 KGB의 계획이었고
Have her call me when she's settled.
It's me.
How's your new life? Your target arrives in Paris next month.
그렇게 올레그를 암살하는 것에 성공한 안나였습니다. 대역을 활용해 눈속임으로 결백을 증명했고 증거까지 완벽히 제거하는 데 성공합니다.
I'll see you around.
What's he like?
Smart, handsome.
Gave me like grilling, nothing more.
No, if you'd lied, you would have known.
올가는 안나에게 모스크바로 복귀 명령을 내렸고
Da?
It's me.
자신을 고용한 KGB 멤버 알렉스와 사랑에 빠지기도 하죠.
Plan on keeping her?
I wanted your opinion.
She can turn her back on us at any time.
To forever regret an opportunity you allowed to pass you.
They say you're good at chess. We should play.
When my 5 years up, do I have to stay in Moscow?
안나는 5년을 채우면 준다는 자유만을 바라보고 일하고 있었으나
Be happy and proud to serve your country. There's only one way to leave the cage.
KGB의 국장은 그녀를 놓아줄 생각이 없었습니다. 다시 파리로 돌아간 안나.
Da?
Hi.
What's this number? Is it secure?
And promise me my fucking freedom in 5 years.
Give yourself time, Anna. It plays in your favor.
Promise me something, Alex. Would you be on my side?
I'll do my best.
Wertenberg, 49 German diplomats. We've already made several approaches, but it's hopeless.
Where is the piece?
Bathroom, behind the
There'll
seconds.
be no backup, so if there's a hitch...
There won't be.
It's about time.
Sorry. Traffic.
Idiot, didn't you read the memo?
Yeah, I've read it.
So where's his fucking index? Bring back his finger. Yes, like it says in the memo. While you're there, bring back your watch. Never leave anything behind.
안나답지 않게 이번 미션엔 실수가 있었고
Here. Can I go to bed now?
What's wrong with you?
Just so tired of him.
Take a week in the sun, wherever you want. Take Maud.
일에 지쳐 보이는 안나를 위해 올가는 휴가를 허락해주죠. 그렇게 일주일간 휴식을 취할 수 있었던 안나.
Enjoy your vacation.
Here. It's a bus card.
Lovely. Time to get back to work.
다시 돌아온 안나는 완전히 프로페셔널한 킬러가 되었고
Little more, Marie Antoinette.
You're flying back to Moscow next week. The boss wants to...
보스를 만나기 전 창고에서 알렉스와 뜨거운 사랑을 나눈 안나.
I confess I had little faith in you at first. He has asked for a Medal of Distinction to be awarded to you. Now, what do you think? Deserves such an honor?
Mate.
그런데 갑자기 그녀는 KGB의 국장을 살해해버립니다. 시간은 다시 6개월 전으로 돌아갑니다. 사실 그날 안나는 임무를 실패했었고
Don't look so surprised. I told you I'd see you around. And it's to cut a deal before your friends start to wonder where you are. Now, I can have you in a French prison inside of an hour. Violate your human rights until they get bored.
레너드는 안나를 첩자로 고용하려 하죠.
Is it all you have to offer? Fine then. Kill me. Don't you consider yourself better than the Russians? Freedom and protection. I don't want to live by the sea. Hawaii.
Hawaii.
How did you catch me?
The way you hold your bag. You're under my protection, the protection of the United States of America.
So where's the print?
She's coming back.
I need his finger.
What the fuck are you talking about? All right, put him on the table.
Don't!
Can I go to bed now?
Take a break.
이후 휴가지에서도 레너드를 만나 소통했고
Everything okay?
For now, why are you really here?
I'm on vacation. Feels good. Feels good to kick back. You're with us now. Protect our assets. I already have him looking for a house in Hawaii.
그날 밤 그녀는 레너드와도 사랑을 나누게 되고
Enjoy your vacation.
Yeah, it was wonderful.
그 후로도 둘은 교제를 계속 이어갔습니다.
Gotta be the embassy in a half hour.
You're gonna be late.
I have a job for you when you're back in Moscow.
You guys want to get rid of the number one of the KGB?
5 years ago, we lost 9 agents. Vasiliev gave the order. I've been putting this together for 3 years. I just need to find the right person to make it happen. I got him to sign off on early retirement. Total freedom, total protection, everything he wanted.
Okay.
KGB 국장을 만나기 전 알렉스와 관계를 가진 이유는 바로 암살에 필요한 총을 챙기기 위함이었습니다.
Check.
Mate.
Not a dead woman.
I love you too. It's gonna make you sleep.
밖에서 안나를 기다리던 레너드는 경보 소리를 듣고 자리를 피할 수밖에 없었죠. 그 후로도 안나의 소식은 들리지 않았고
Vasiliev was a confirmed kill, and the Russians are ready to appoint someone.
And the girl? Any news?
Dead, probably, if she's lucky. Great work. Big win for the good guys.
드디어 안나에게 연락을 받게 됩니다.
Entering the park.
Roger.
Want to tell our guys to be a little more discreet?
이곳엔 CIA와 KGB 요원들이 모두 배치되어 있었고
Any idea who that could be?
Am I right, Alexei Chenkov?
Leonard Miller, CIA.
Yeah, get me the fuck out of here.
Don't worry, we're coming in. Exfiltration procedure imminent.
Like a duck waiting to get shot.
Nobody's getting shot.
15.
5.
Wait. Hold off.
상황이 터지기 직전 안나가 이곳에 도착했고
I know. But we have to talk first.
Any more lovers you want to tell us about?
Just two of you. Here, that's what I got from the KGB. And that's what I got from the CIA.
Nice work.
Thank you. Everything goes back to normal, and we part as good friends. Hope you're both as fond of me as I am of you. Are we agreed?
I wish you the very best.
It's a bitter pill to swallow.
그렇게 완전한 자유 속으로 사라지려 하는 안나.
The only family I have is at this table.
Bitch, if she thinks she's getting away with.
하지만 올가가 움직이기 시작했고
Buy a drink?
Don't push it, comrade.
Enough. Olga?
All agents move.
Move. Let's go. Get out of there.
Get me 2 crepe, no topping, just sugar. I know the Americans have contacted you. That's when you lost your watch. For now, what I know doesn't leave this limousine.
올가는 그녀를 지켜주는 대신 이중 스파이 역할을 요구했죠.
They want to kill Vasiliev. What do you want most in the world, Anna? Do exactly as I say and I give you my word. You will be free.
사실 KGB의 국장을 죽이는 것에 올가도 동의했었고
Give me another angle.
Let me see the face. On the face!
드디어 자유를 향해 나아가는 안나. 한편 올가는 KGB의 새 국장이 되었고 안나는 올가에게 메시지를 하나 남겨두었죠.
If you received this message, everything must have gone to plan.
최후의 보험을 위해 올가와의 대화도 녹음했었던 안나.
Vasiliev's shelf life has expired. All you have to do is dispatch the son of a bitch.
And I hope you are proud of me. Bitch.
이렇게 영화 안나는 막을 내립니다. 한밤중 도로 위에서 펼쳐진 추격전.
Come on, hit it. He cut through third. to the bed.
순간 또 다른 차량이 나타났고
What is this?
Forget about the bag. Let's get out of here. Come on, man. Let's go. Come on, fuck pussy.
갑자기 나타난 차량이 먼저 도주하며 상황은 종료되죠.
What the fuck was that? I'm not sure. How much is in it? The bag is heavy. Shit, just from my eyes. Hey man, listen, I ain't got my calculator with me, but they gotta be like 7 or 8 million.
한밤중 약을 훔친 이 남자의 이름은 빈센트였고 그의 직업은 놀랍게도 경찰이었습니다. 그리고 정의감 넘치는 여경 브라이언트.
Guys at the department are concerned about your recent meeting. Why don't you tell me what happened in your own words?
Thought I was walking into a controlled situation. We knew the lab was there and someone was paid to look the other way. Because the city is crawling with dirty cops.
그녀는 요즘 부패 경찰이 많다는 것에 화가 나 있었고.
So at 0427, a squad car got a shots fired call. Went out the shots fired. Went into an alley off of 3rd Street where they found two.
Oh, we'll take that. Me and Cass.
All right, hotshot. Cheers.
Yeah. Gotta control this case. We'll control the case. We'll control the evidence.
어제 저질렀던 사건을 직접 맡아 정리하려는 빈센트.
Looking for this?
I'm looking for everything. This is Downs homicide.
Jennifer Bryant.
I was just looking out for a fellow officer.
We should look into that, Sherlock.
빈센트는 현재 아내와 이혼한 상태였고
Some flowers, that's why I was running late.
Thank you.
Well, what is this? What kind of ring is it?
It's an engagement ring.
Which is this something you want to spend the rest of your life? His father. I'm his father.
I know you.
You gotta respect that, D.
He's gotta go. His game is now. All right, baby, enjoy your dad. Drop him off by 9 p.m.
What's the flowers? Come here and tell me about Dave. Supposed to be man to man on that. You're supposed to let me know what's going on.
You don't care where I live, who I live with.
I love you, Mom. I love you. It's just.
일이 바빠 집에서는 영 사랑받지 못하는 아빠였죠.
Check it out. Figure you better have your mind made up if you can't take it back.
그 순간 괴한들이 나타나 아들 토마스를 납치했고.
Yeah, I learned you have something that's mine.
Get you product. Look, you heard him. You know what it is. Get your stuff, and I'll bring it right to you.
What's up with you?
You messed up, Cass.
What you mean? You were stealing from Rubino. You were stealing from Novak. You got us fucked up.
What you doing? I need that bag!
Hey, listen, you know I went through it. I fix it. Calm down.
Rob, you don't do this to family, okay, please? I'm so sorry.
A friend of mine gave me some cell phone records from your phone to the DEA.
I'm sorry, I was with this girl in Agua Prieta, all right? And
DEA bus. My cut house raided last week. Cut off his tongue.
please don't do this to me.
No, his coach called and said he missed the game. Where is he?
T and I had a little fight, so I'm gonna go get him right now.
Find him.
그리고 빈센트의 차를 몰래 따라가고 있는 한 차량. 바로 브라이언트였습니다.
There.
Follow me.
There was a man in here a few minutes ago.
What are you doing? This is the men's room.
Where are my drugs?
Where's my son?
Dad!
We didn't know the drugs was yours.
That cocaine is supposed to go to the Novak.
Drugs. Got the rest stashed. I'll get it to you when I get my son. Bring it back in 10 minutes. Get my son.
Dad!
10 minutes!
Hello?
I followed Vincent down to the Lexus.
Hid 23 kilos of coke in the ceiling of the men's bathroom.
I'm waiting out front for you.
그 시각 롬노박이 물건을 챙기러 이곳에 왔고.
Get this stuff now. Stan, please.
Whatever you're looking for, that lady cop was already...
You have a garbage bag? I need to get that garbage bag. My father's watch. I need you.
Guys bringing this stuff to my office. Just be a few more minutes. Something wrong? No, everything's fine.
Go.
Much longer. A few minutes. So, where is my goddamn cocaine?
I'd like to run a locker, please.
Check every monitor?
Yes, I lost them.
Hey, wait, so you meet me outside?
Novak and his guys turn up and they're meeting with Rubino.
Where'd you put the drugs?
Put him in the locker in the spa. We'll bring down the Novaks and have an internal bust at the same time.
브라이언트는 빈센트에게 전화했고
Brad, I need that bag.
Why don't we meet up and talk about it?
일단 상황이 급한 그는 그녀를 만날 여유가 없었죠. 설탕으로 가짜 액을 만들었고
Mr. Rubino has requested a bottle of Cristal sent to his office.
I see you to finally join us.
Why have we been sitting around waiting on
A lot of cops downstairs.
All of you?
Think so? Because I'm a cop. Easy.
미리 샴페인을 주문했던 빈센트는 마치 경찰이 찾아온 것처럼 위장했고
Looking for Miss Rubino?
Gotta go.
These stairs lead to the garage.
덕분에 이곳에서 약이 진짜인지 제대로 확인하지 못하게 했죠.
Go on, get your son. Get the fuck out of my casino.
Stop the fucking car.
이제서야 약이 가짜인 줄 알게 된 롬노박.
Dad. Hey, son. So.
Hey, Rob. Give me product. You give me sugar.
What? Just give me some time. Don't worry about it.
What do you mean, don't worry about it?
Come on, let's go this way.
What? Oh, shit. Thought you out doing something good and you out here fucking selling drugs.
Undercover. I've been working this case for 2 years. You're the only one that knows, okay?
Come on, Dad, come on. Come on, Dad.
Any sign of him? I want you to tell every cop on our payroll.
You make a scene, I'll fucking kill you. 덤비는 인파 속에서 토마스를 놓치고 말죠.
What are you doing here, Stanley? Looks like you've done pretty damn well for yourself. Open it. Is that a tongue? My cousin's. So I'm giving you 1 hour.
Fuck. You get him? No. And the product ain't here either.
I'm gonna go down to the garage, see if I can find something in his car.
Vincent Downs is long gone. All right, he beat it.
Go home. Get some sleep.
Get some rest, honey.
Going up.
Dirty son of a bitch!
Gun on me.
I knew you were a dirty cop!
You don't know shit. I'm off the books. Been working undercover for 2 years. 2 fucking years!
사실 빈센트는 2년이 넘는 기간 가족들에게 미움받으면서까지 큰 사건을 비밀 수사 중인 입장이었죠.
But you gonna learn today. Come on! Get him!
Why don't you call for fucking backup?
Because I can't trust anybody! Where them drugs?
The woman's spa.
Where?
32.
Are you in on this? With your father?
그런데 급하게 나가다 문을 열어둔 상태로 가버렸고 토마스는 이곳에서 핸드폰을 가지고 도망칩니다.
Downs is still here!
What?
He's headed to the locker in the spa.
I need the key to locker 32. Shit.
이어 브라이언트의 동료 데니슨이 나타났고 빈센트는 데니슨을 제압하는 데 성공합니다.
Tell me where you are. I'm in this club.
그때 폰의 배터리가 나가버렸고 이어 빈센트의 동료 션이 이곳에 도착합니다.
Damn. Look like shit, partner. Tell me you not internal affairs. We've been friends 20 years. You gon' fucking rat on me? What do you mean rat on you? Gotta rock with me. I get Thomas.
그때 빈센트를 쫓던 자가 나타나 션에게 총을 쏴버렸고
Stay with me. Look at me. Sir.
Tell you something. First thing anybody says when they go down is I'm undercover.
You thinks about me, my case, even if he's lying.
Hey,
What the hell is going on?
It's all good. Everything I'm due is about you and him. You know, it's always been that, right? I gotta call you right back.
Dina?
Yeah, it's Dennison. I have the created the mess this morning. Now you clean it up.
그런데 알고 보니 데니슨과 션은 둘 다 부패 경찰로 계속 연락을 주고받았고 일이 틀어지자 빈센트까지 죽일 생각을 하고 있었죠.
Does Vincent Downs know who I am? Go fuck yourself.
이 자리에서 살아있는 션을 몰래 제거해버리는 데니슨.
You see any shell casings over there?
No.
Mine's dead too. You stay here with the bodies. I'm gonna lead them in.
You trying to take me down?
You go down, I go down. Got every name, every cop, every detail, every job I ever did. You can't touch me. Just do your fucking job.
We clear. Where are my fucking drugs?
Tom.
Motherfucker.
Get back! Can and will be used against you in the court of law.
They're headed to the garage. All right, meet me downstairs. Don't let them leave the garage.
Jump out. No matter what happens, you keep driving.
Oh, shit!
Thomas, are you okay?
Fine! You stay down!
I want my fucking drugs!
No back! Coming out! I have everything on me. I know where the drugs are.
가족을 지키기 위해 직접 나선 빈센트.
Vincent Downs. Hurry up, Mom. Hurry up!
노박은 이곳에서 최후를 맞이하죠.
All right, Thomas, there's another towel in the back, okay?
Get my phone. Voicemail. Okay?
What a night.
Hello.
브라이언트에게 션과 데니슨의 대화를 들려주는 빈센트. 그녀도 이제야 데니슨이 부패 경찰임을 알게 됩니다.
It's okay. Don't worry. I work for the Novaks. Keep driving. Requesting immediate help.
Got movement?
Rubino, you went crazy. Grab my gun. Brian didn't make it.
그러나 죽지 않고 살아있었던 브라이언트.
Arrest that fucker!
Established TKO. ETA 9 right. EP is ready. Looks like she's losing consciousness. Stay with us.
Hey, Mom. It's all right.
I think you kicked the hornet's nest today.
Yeah, we did that. I'm a good cop.
I know.
이렇게 해피엔딩으로 영화는 막을 내립니다. 평화로운 어느 숲속의 한 별장. 이곳에 은퇴를 앞둔 킬러 마이클이 휴식 중이었는데
Retirement, here I come, motherfuckers. A little bubbly.
Oh, yeah.
In position.
사실 그는 실력자들로 구성된 킬러 A팀의 타겟이 되어 있었고
Like that?
I love it.
이렇게 마이클은 완전히 제압되어 버리고 말았죠.
Why?
You got old, Michael.
Sydney. Yeah, it's done. We're heading back now.
Fasten your seatbelt and turn the
Yes, ma'am. Safe flight.
한편 병원에 진료를 받으러 온 오늘의 주인공 덩컨.
I can get you to take a nice deep breath in and out.
그는 전설로 불리는 최고의 킬러였지만 이제 은퇴를 앞두고 있었고
What are you looking forward to most about retirement?
No, the normal stuff.
What about cigarettes?
I quit.
You'll be making the same charity donation again this
과거 블랙카이저로 불리며 악명 높았던 그는 매년 $20만 어디론가 기부해 오고 있었습니다.
Damocles will be matching your pension contribution. Good 6% per year.
그는 거액의 퇴직금을 받게 될 예정이었고
8,207,000.
Your rod and your staff comfort me.
Speak.
Almighty God.
Give me some 10.
I'll be there.
Dom Perignon, 2004.
It's good to see you, Duncan.
What happened to Michael?
덩컨은 동료 마이클의 죽음에 대해 의문이 들었죠.
For days when he got attacked.
Michael was the fourth dead Damocles agent. Hired some Mexican hitman, $1 million bullet to tell this pendejo.
비비안은 덩컨에게 하나의 의뢰를 맡기는데
Technically, you're still active for the next 2 weeks.
Why don't you do it?
Once you, the Black Kaiser.
집에 돌아가는 길 잠시 가게에 들렸고
Hey. He likes you, man. He's only $50.
Pretty good, huh?
그렇게 잠에 든 덩컨. 얼떨결에 데려온 강아지를 총으로 쏴버렸는데 그에게는 과거 엄청난 트라우마가 있어 보였습니다. 그리고 눈에 들어온 이웃집 여성 카밀. 카밀이 잠시 외출했다 돌아온 사이 그녀를 대신해 장작을 모두 패준 덩컨이었죠. 이어 그는 비비안의 의뢰를 거절하려 하는데
Speak.
I got your message.
Which one? Bluch won't take no for an answer.
Jesus, Mary, fuck. Are you retired or returned?
하지만 결국 그는 의뢰를 수락하기로 합니다.
Leave the file on the company server.
You don't have to be such.
You did well. Does it scare you?
You fucking scared.
그런데 사실 이 의뢰는 마이클과 마찬가지로 조직의 리더 블루트가 그의 은퇴금을 노리고 암살하려는 것이었죠.
This is a bad idea.
Spare me the length. And send him to Belarus to die.
그 시각 이 상황을 모르는 덩컨은 타겟에 대해 조사 중이었고
Swords are synonymous with Damocles. Handle is made from Roman blood.
Now let's get down to business. Next year, your liabilities are predicted to be done in order to inflate the value of your
Company policy that all our agents must return. Their combined fund adds up to 29.
And you are assuming they will die.
I guarantee it someday.
얼마 후 덩컨은 열쇠공으로 변장해 임무를 진행합니다.
Да, я немедленно вызываю рабочих.
Тут женщина закрылась изнутри.
Не придется свалить. ¡Ese pinche ruido! ¡Cabrón, que estás haciendo aquí! ¡Los son que estamos aquí adentro!
소음으로 어그로를 끈 뒤 타겟을 제압했고 덩컨은 자신이 타겟이었음을 알게 되었고
¿Sabes quién hizo la orden? No sé. Okay, the job is done. I'll send you a picture. Somebody set me up over here. You better pray you have nothing to do with it.
He's not answering my calls. What the fuck is he doing?
With some low-rent Mexican clown.
You worry too much.
You're gonna have to pay him everything now.
비비안의 말에 블루트는 결국 A팀을 보내기로 결심하죠.
I'll send in the A-team. They'll get it done.
A팀은 곧바로 움직이기 시작했고
These are all the properties we own?
Yeah. Sure.
Profit and loss, expenses. I want everything.
It's all in there.
Take all the files.
I know, but my wood pile got filled.
Supernatural events we get to witness. Hey, there's your neighbor. This young lady rents right up where you are.
카밀은 덩컨의 존재에 대해 인식하기 시작했고 다음날 또다시 마주친 이들은 처음으로 대화를 나누죠.
It's funny we're neighbors.
Yes, that is funny. You live in the house with the big porch.
Yes, I like it here. It's peaceful.
Yeah.
It makes me peaceful.
Me too.
그 뒤로 조금은 가까워질 수 있었던 둘의 관계.
Well, these are very good.
You're not from around here, are you? You don't have the same look as people around here either. What was your job?
I was in the funeral business.
A traveling funeral business? How many countries have you been to?
99.
You should give a class at school. How many teachers have actually seen the places you have?
All right. The cochlear is an arterial weapon. All right. Any questions?
How do they bury people in India?
They burn them.
What clothes do they wear in Africa?
Summer clothes. Dead body has been in the sun for 3 weeks. There you go. Pay attention to his face.
How did it go?
Pretty good, I think. They like the knife.
That was a pretty cool knife, I guess. Hey there.
I brought you something.
Oh.
You told me how much you like knives, so it comes in black if you like that better.
한편 A팀은 덩컨이 어디론가 기부하고 있다는 사실을 발견했고
I got one more here made out to some fucking charity.
Charity is not what's important. The bank account.
It's cold. Why the fuck would he live there?
Looks like we're on the move.
총을 선물하더니 쏘는 법까지 알려주기로 한 덩컨.
When you feel you have the target, you squeeze the trigger. 2 hands.
하지만 그녀는 총에 대한 트라우마가 강해 보였는데요.
It's okay. We'll get you something else.
알고 보니 그녀는 과거 상처가 많아 보였습니다.
I had this job when I was 13. This one day it was just me and him there. He just came up to me, hit me so hard I landed on the floor. And then I always imagined what it would be like. I would have a gun in my hand. Yes, I would tell him what he did, and he would listen. Click. I would never have to see him again when I closed my eyes. Do you think it would be difficult to kill someone?
I don't know.
Shit, man. Here we go. Cindy's coming your way.
결국 위치가 노출되고 말았고
Hi.
What's the problem?
I don't know. It just died. Do you live far from here?
이번에도 미인계 작전으로 시작하는 A팀.
As soon as they can come out, it's 10 in the morning.
You hungry? You get the couch.
You're cute for an older guy. Said I'd never fuck anyone older than my dad.
그렇게 두 사람은 뜨밤을 보내게 되는데
His old ass, you gonna kill him before I get a chance to. Ready? Yes, sir. Here we go.
그런데 총에 맞은 것은 오히려 신디였고
Fuck! Can't see him, can't see Cindy, can't see shit.
What's happening?
Find him.
I'm on it.
Fuck! Can you hear that?
Alexei, activate Plan B.
Dead before we leave here. Can't always get what you want, old man.
Did you hear that? Try not to be scared.
순식간에 A팀을 전멸시켜버린 덩컨. 상황이 끝나고 곧바로 카밀의 집으로 가보는데 그녀는 이미 납치된 듯 보였습니다.
I'm gonna cut him into pieces and feed him to the rat. This is personal.
And kidnapping his cute little neighbor, that is personal.
덩컨은 옛 동료를 찾아 도움을 요청하려 했고
Third boxcar. One for me and one for my friend here.
They did try to kill you. Twice. I had the worst winter. We're getting too old. If you die before retirement, it goes back to the company. And you are costing the company. You trust Vivian?
No, okay. You know where they would keep to go.
그는 카밀이 붙잡혀 있을 만한 장소를 알려주었고
Thanks, Warren.
You were just too good. Be careful, Duncan.
갑작스러운 기습에 덩컨은 당해버렸죠.
It's done.
Well done.
그는 블루트 앞으로 끌려오게 되었고
Cannot be repaid with a swift. When the English caught the traitor, William Wallace, peasants could smear their warm. He slit his guts right open. I guess Wallace hurt England pretty bad. You hurt me pretty bad, Mr. Vissel. I'm gonna have a little fun.
블루트는 덩컨을 최대한 고통스럽게 고문하려 했습니다.
Music, please.
며칠간의 잔혹한 고문이 이어졌고 덩컨은 엄청난 상처와 함께 눈 하나를 잃어버리고 말았죠. 그 와중에 몸에 박혀있던 칼날 하나를 찾아냈고 그걸로 수갑을 풀어낸 채 기회를 엿보고 있었습니다.
Well, don't just stand there, kill him! Fuck. He's coming, get him!
수많은 적들을 쓰러뜨리고 탈출에 성공합니다. 이번에도 다른 옛 동료를 찾아왔고
Duncan? Is that you?
Four.
Speak.
I'll make you a trade. Me for the girl. I'll be back.
His life for the girls.
The girl? They're both going to be fucking dead!
How many men do you have left?
No.
온몸이 망신창이가 된 덩컨은 회복이 필요했죠.
Not going anywhere soon with all that shit in your system.
This should help.
그렇게 회복을 충분히 하고 나서야 그는 다시 움직일 수 있었습니다.
Okay, Duncan. How can I help you? What do you need?
An army.
Here, try these on.
하지만 곧바로 카미를 구하기 위해 움직였고
Is she alive?
Yes. Let's get on the move.
What?
어느 폐공장에 들어선 덩컨.
Central train station, 9 a.m. tomorrow.
그런데 그 사이 비비아는 덩컨의 위치를 찾아냈고
And to think you've been hiding out just around the corner. Here we are.
As always.
Time to die, Herr Black Kaiser.
I'm still gonna give you a chance to walk out of here alive.
The road that you've chosen doesn't have a rainbow. You grew soft, Duncan.
Oh, shit.
Guards! Guard! Let him come. I'm gonna fuck him up. Look.
Shit. 모든 것을 끝내기 위해 블루트에게 향하는 덩컨.
Hey! You fucking pussies! Come back! Bring me the fucking girl!
결국 블루트는 완전히 고립되고 말았습니다. 사실 덩컨은 과거 카밀의 가족을 모두 암살했었고 그 죄책감으로 인해 그동안 카밀에게 기부를 해왔던 것이었습니다.
I only see you. You are always the only one I see. Everyone else is there when I close my eyes. I feel my brother's soft cheek on my shoulder. I feel my mother's warm hand wrapped around mine. I can smell the cigarette my father just put out. I can feel them, but I can't see them. Always you.
It's not supposed to happen. It's a mistake.
Just don't talk. Pray that I died that night. I didn't learn about it until I turned 21. You didn't recognize me when we met at the store.
I didn't want to disturb you.
Well, but you have interfered. I want you to go away.
Close your mind. We pull the trigger.
그러나 카밀이 총을 쏜 곳은 허공이었고
Do you know who wanted my father dead? Can we find out?
You can try.
두 사람의 얼굴을 끝으로 영화는 마무리됩니다. 에티오피아 협곡에서 임무를 수행 중인 스나이퍼들.
Movement. 2 men.
They're not on anybody's side. We don't have to shoot them.
No one can track you through the water except the fish. Sarah's headed off to nursing school next week.
This is TS-129, over. Friendly forces moving towards extraction point.
Forces approaching TS-129 at their 12 o'clock.
Range at 870 yards and closing.
On target.
Command post, this is Viper. Hostile threat down, over.
그렇게 무사히 임무가 끝난 줄 알았으나
Larger hostile forces approaching your sector Bravo.
Viper, enemy forces have been stopped. Indirect fire from hostile troops.
Shut it down. Only trained men 8 kilometers inside a country.
Let's go.
그런데 상부에서는 이들을 가차없이 버려버렸고
The conflict's dead. Left us here. Don't worry, we're getting home.
결국 동료 도니가 당하고 말았습니다. 스웨거는 복수를 위해 헬리콥터와의 전투를 시작했고 뛰어난 저격 실력으로 헬리콥터를 격추하는 데 성공하죠. 시간이 흘러 미국으로 돌아온 스웨거는 산속 깊은 곳에서 조용히 지내고 있었습니다.
Come on, boy. Come on, Sam.
Good boy. Good boy. Let's see what lies they're trying to sell us today.
그렇게 스웨거가 평화롭게 지내는 동안
Gunnery Sergeant Bob Lee Swanger
went in unfriendly territory on a loadout and left his best friend and spotter was killed.
한편 CIA에서는 스웨거에 대해 논의 중이었는데
Rosen shoots his own food. Some people don't know what to do when their belief system collapses.
You sure, boy?
이어 존슨 대령은 스웨거를 직접 찾아왔습니다.
You guys turn around and go back to wherever you came from.
Come a long way to see you. We have some business needs your attention.
Slow draw you got there. Sure you want to do that?
Take your hand off your weapon, Sergeant. Doesn't have to bury you in the heel. Give me 5 minutes.
Yeah, your dog stays outside.
I need you to plan a presidential assassination. It's going to be an attempt on the life of the president in the next. The president has 3 public engagements.
부탁하는 내용은 저격의 예상 위치를 파악해달라는 것이었고
I'm not entirely convinced that a shot like this could...
You know what it takes to make a shot at that range? There's a 6 to 10 second flight time, so you have to shoot it where the target's going to be. I believe there's a shooter involved capable. You got a real problem. You need to find the shooter. Like the president much. Didn't like the one before that much.
I believe he stood before a flag. I don't want you to turn on the TV next week. See the president dead.
비록 버림받았더라도 그의 안에는 애국심이 여전히 남아있었고
Is that the new one? The truck? 8-liter V8. You mind? We'll take a picture.
Someone will be at this number night or day.
You see what he did? He didn't need a photo of the engine.
Backed up far enough to take a picture of the plate.
Just doesn't know it yet.
(3년) 만에 총을 꺼내든 스웨거. 오랜만의 임무에 사실 조금은 흥분되고 있는 스웨거였죠.
Be able to tough it out without me for a couple days.
그는 새 장소에 대한 답사를 시작했고
Out of the 3 cities, there's only one with a reasonably high chance.
최적의 장소로 필라델피아를 지목했습니다.
It's 1 of 6 possible locations, approximately 5 stories above the president. Shot requires a large caliber weapon. Expect the bullet to be handmade.
You can kill him from that far away.
Challenge is the wind. He's going to need indicators between the podium and the shooting.
Impressive recon and report, son. We'll have 6 3-man teams standing by on the day.
Look,
listen, I could use a spotter.
결국 그는 현장에도 직접 나서 도움을 주기로 결정했고 얼마 후 디데이가 되었습니다.
President speaks in 20 minutes. Notify our teams.
Stand by. Yes, I have a clear line of sight.
All clear. There's really nothing going on here.
These are great times.
Yellow ribbons, the windage flags. Rough location, how to put him in for a shot from the steeple.
Right before the shot is taken, when his focus is elsewhere.
Flashlight has arrived.
Timmons, our local resource.
Real honor to meet you.
You weren't snapped, officer.
Shit.
Got our guy in the collar?
The Archbishop of Ethiopia. The president speaks next.
Got wind at 3.
Full value.
드디어 대통령의 연설이 시작되며 긴장감이 극도로 높아졌고
He's loaded. Altitude, humidity, temperature. You gotta take him. Send in the ERT team. Take out the steam.
그런데 갑자기 경관은 스웨거를 공격했죠.
Flashlight down.
How could you fucking miss?
어째서인지 CIA는 처음부터 스웨거를 제거할 목적이었고 심지어 그가 저격을 한 것처럼 현장을 조작해버리니 상황을 모르는 FBI가 스웨거를 쫓기 시작합니다.
They shot me. FBI, put your hands up.
Give me your keys. I didn't shoot the president. Simmons was a setup.
CP-17, can you repeat possible suspect?
그런데 이번 저격의 희생자는 대통령이 아니라 대주교였고
Now fleeing and stolen FBI vehicle.
Be advised that the suspect is 419. I'm heading south on James David Evans. Over.
그는 세차장에서 필요한 응급조치를 하는데
Wait, so unless he can stop the bleeding without going to the hospital or a doctor.
하지만 그 사이 이미 추격이 따라붙어 있었죠.
I want the banks of this river lined for 30 miles.
As the net begins to tighten nationwide, there is still no...
was assaulted and disarmed by Swagger.
You have embarrassed this office.
Force Recon, Marine Scout Sniper disarmed me 3 weeks out of the academy. Why did he say he didn't shoot the president? Also, he said Timmons was a setup.
Given your official statement yet, because I would be very cautious.
바꾼 차량으로 겨우 탈출에 성공한 스웨거. 그는 한 가게에 들렀고
Can't sell you nothing. Just lost our
Please,
power.
all I need is a marinade needle, some salt, some sugar.
가게의 전기를 끊고 응급처치에 필요한 물품들을 구입합니다.
The Wind River range of Wyoming, as no sign of Swagger has been found.
처음부터 모든 게 계획되었던 것이었고
She thinks it was him, but it was dark because the power was out in the store.
But what's with the sugar?
Sugar's been used to treat battlefield wounds.
한편 FBI 요원 닉은 이번 사건의 이상함을 느끼고 있었죠. 스웨거는 동료였던 도니의 아내 사라를 만나러 왔고
You're Bob Lee, Swagger, Donnie's old partner.
Look, you're a nurse, right?
No, that was Donnie's dream. I couldn't.
Please. I didn't do whatever they said I did. You still figure on shooting me? That shotgun's a little long to bring up fast.
Pull the truck in the garage. The neighbors will be up in a minute.
다행히 사라가 스웨거를 돕기로 결정했죠.
Should have come and seen you in person.
Yeah, I read the letter. And once a year, I got the flowers. Why aren't you? So how is it I'm supposed to help you?
You can do a running cross stitch. You gotta try to spread it out. It's gonna look odd you buy it all up.
You never left.
Everyone keeps telling me I'm crazy.
한편 닉은 밤새 조사해보니 이번 사건이 더욱 이상하다 확신했고
Ballistics diagram got here 22 minutes after the shooting. How did they get a reverse azimuth 10 minutes after that?
이어 스웨거의 과거 사격 대회에 대해 언급하는데
5 shots, an inch and a half spread, an inch and a half. That's the flag behind the president. Does a man who do that miss by 2.5 feet? You know, I saw Timmons interviewed. He said he was walking foot patrol. No sniper sticks his rifle out of a window. I'm gonna talk to Timmons.
No, you're not. Timmons was killed by a mugger in an
In
alley.
a conspiracy, all loose ends are trimmed.
I stopped the bleeding temporarily. Cut out and scrub away anything that's dead. You ready for this?
2.5 days, shot twice, no sign. Tear apart his life. Again.
Okay.
Something I need to tell you. Ralphie's dead.
심지어 스웨거의 하나뿐인 가족인 강아지까지 죽인 그들.
It's a good dog. Raised it from a pup.
What are you gonna do?
Burn their playhouse down.
그 시간에도 닉은 혼자 조사를 이어나가고 있었는데
You have a boyfriend? Just wonder if I'm gonna have to shoot somebody who walks through that door without knocking.
Nothing steady, no boyfriend.
Not bad. You know, you would have made one hell of a nurse. It's really brave what you did. I better get to it. In the meantime, they need someone else to find and give them him.
사라는 복수를 준비하는 스웨거를 적극적으로 도와주었고
The gun Donnie learned to hunt with when he was a kid.
Sure.
Yeah. Why'd you go?
You know which buttons to press. I'll sit up in my chair and say which way you want me to go. Yeah, I got a plan. I'm gonna need your help.
I'll do it.
Look, it was my fault. You know, with Donnie, I should never have.
Don't you try and take that away from me. I loved what he did. No one made him do it.
I'm sorry, I tried.
다음날 사라는 닉에게 접근했고
You know what that is? Well, he's been staying with me.
Who's been staying with you? Bob Lee Swagger?
The plates are probably fake. Pretty sure the other number's real. You're gonna sit real still until I'm long gone.
그런데 주변에 있던 경찰이 스웨거를 발견했고
Excuse me, sir. Can I see some ID, please? Sir, I'm gonna need you to take off your hat. Take your hat off, asshole!
무사히 탈출에 성공합니다. 사무실로 돌아온 닉은 전달받은 차량의 고유 번호를 조회해보는데 자신의 권한으로는 불가능했고 결국 선배를 찾아가 도움을 요청해봅니다.
I think that CNN got the tapes already edited together to show.
선배 또한 닉의 이야기를 듣고 이 사건을 조심히 알아보고 있었죠.
The A6 job comes with Delta clearance.
하지만 닉의 움직임이 CIA에게 포착되었고
This is a Delta level clearance request out of the FBI field office in Philadelphia. There's only one guy who met with Swagger before he disappeared.
Hey!
Memphis.
For a man who didn't know much, you sure took a long.
결국 그는 붙잡혀 죽을 위기에 처하게 됩니다.
Flush them drugs out of your system full of the same shit the agents.
You were a real touching suicide note, too. Quit your struggling.
그런데 어디선가 저격이 날아오기 시작했고 그자의 정체는 바로 스웨거였습니다. 여기까지 모두 닉을 미끼로 이용한 스웨거의 계획이었고
You shut me up, you used me as bait.
Flushed him out, didn't it?
Prove it, you didn't shoot the Archbishop.
I don't think you understand.
In the end, the law is up.
In the end, the law will never catch and hold. You sure as hell I mean to see it through. So you get it straight. You in or you out?
I'll take his legs.
It's a good call, Pork.
Distance of about 200 yards.
Swagger's alive.
Nick Memphis hasn't come back to the office.
I just went over Swagger's financials again. Donnie Fenn's widow. Anniversary of his death.
그런데 이번엔 사라가 CIA에 노출되어 버리고 맙니다.
What are you waiting for? Take the jet.
그 시각 닉과 함께 스웨거는 어디론가 향하고 있었는데
I think we're here. Hey, who is this guy?
This guy was the greatest gunsmith east of the Mississippi.
You boys come a long way. What you looking for?
Wisdom. That man wanted to fire a bullet from one rifle and have it match exactly to another. Could that be done?
Kind of thing ain't been done in a long time, though. Look on your left there. Second shelf down there 15 years ago. Don't figure it's moved since then. Paper patching. Screws would match. Paper unwinds at the muzzle.
I was looking for a man to make a 2200 yard goes alive that could do that.
Said the guy's name was Bob Lee Swagger.
Somebody other than him?
There was one guy. He don't shoot no more. The other side wanted him. Bad. They quit the subtle tactic. Called in an artillery strike. Some say he crawled out of it. Some say he died.
Met the son of a bitch.
그런데 이번에 대통령 암살 수비 작전을 돕던 중에 스웨거는 이번 사건에서 실제로 저격을 했던 자를 만났었던 것이 떠오르죠.
Hey, it's me, Nick.
Do you have any idea?
I need you to find someone, Michaela Serbiak.
Swagger is gonna go with what he knows. He'll try to track you. Sometimes to catch a wolf, you need to tie the bait to a tree.
And what happens to the bait?
Hard to say, but that's the nature of being the bait.
Hey, it's Nick. Did you find him?
He's in Virginia.
Swagger is still alive. Oh my. Do kill him. Good night, Senator.
한편 혼자 있던 사라에게 CIA의 사람들이 왔고
Hello? Someone there?
그녀는 불길한 기운을 감지합니다.
I don't want you to hurt yourself. Where's your boyfriend?
사라의 상황을 모른 채 미케일로와의 전투를 준비 중인 스웨거.
You got your list, right?
Yeah.
Alright, you make sure you stick to it. Napalm on the first 4, pipe bombs on the rest of them. Keep shooting, don't let anything distract you. When I say don't let anything distract you.
You got 3 guards. Danger close, 2 o'clock, 50 yards.
빠르게 빠르게 첫 번째 경호원을 제거했고
You got one right on you. 20 yards and closing.
경호원들을 하나하나 제거해가며 폭탄을 준비해둡니다.
Swagger, you got one above you in the roof.
마침내 미케일로를 만날 수 있었고
You killed all three?
I want Johnson's real name. I want to know who he works for.
그는 체념하듯 자신이 아는 정보를 스웨거에게 넘겼죠.
Johnson's had a lot of names. They came for me, like they came for you. They like the wounded. And then throw away.
The Archbishop?
Want to take all suspicions away when you should.
사실 그 작전은 처음부터 대주교를 사살하는 것이 목적이었는데
No matter how horrible, ever really happens without
What
the.
exactly happened in Africa?
미국은 송유관 건설을 반대한 아프리카 시민들을 학살했었고
They didn't ask. They just killed them.
이 사실을 은폐하기 위해 대주교까지 살해한 것이었습니다.
There is a mass grave, 400 bodies. You should know. You covered the retreats of the contractors.
Who runs Johnson?
Senator from Montana. There is no head to cut off. It's a conglomerate. The others betray him. You can't kill that with a gun.
대화 중 스웨거의 예상대로 CIA 병사들이 몰려왔고
Swagger, gotta get out of there.
By the way, they got your woman.
I'll go to hide too.
Roger that.
Reposition. Hold the pipe bombs outside on my call, okay? 2, 1.
Hit it! Hit the napalm! You gotta bug out on my go behind that barn! You gotta gut it to that tree line. Alright, go! Time to go!
See this weird shootout in Virginia?
이번 사태는 윗선에도 빠르게 전해졌죠.
I'm beginning to think that you were the wrong man for the job. Fuse soul that thinks that one man can. That's the hassle with democracy.
스웨거는 존슨이 직접 자신에게 전화할 수 있게끔 만들었고
Swagger?
Colonel Johnson here.
Figured you'd be listening.
I have something you want.
It seems so do I.
스웨거가 꺼내든 카드는 시신 400구가 묻어있다는 녹음 파일이었죠.
Where are we meeting?
Somewhere I can see you.
스웨거는 조건으로 의원까지 현장에 불러냈고
Well, I'm here.
He's here.
그런데 스웨거는 함정을 예상하고 닉을 먼저 보냈죠.
I think I broke a rib.
주변에 저격수들을 하나하나 제거해가는 스웨거.
Shoots me! Spasm kills her!
그 시각 FBI에는 하나의 택배가 도착하는데
Nice shooting, Gunny.
Yeah, you got what you came for. Why don't we think about all this that is? You have a rather unique skill set. I'd be interested. You might as well be on the side that gets you well paid for your...
You sanctioned the mass murder of an entire village so a pipeline could go...
That no one chops off their arm. They like us down there, boys. This is about freedom. It's not about oil. Because it's a lie. Are you on the inside or are you on the out?
It's the FBI!
I don't think so, Senator.
That proved you were innocent! Nobody out here is the authorities. It's just gonna disappear along with us.
I'm just a peckerwood who lives in the hills with too many guns.
Shoot a sitting U.S. senator.
Let him go.
스웨거는 법이 이들을 심판할 것이라 생각하죠.
You can talk as much as you want, but in the end, you're gonna die by lethal. I won. You lost.
얼마 후 스웨거는 법무장관 앞에 오게 되었고
Hey, free my hands, please.
It's okay.
I'm sorry about everything.
It's not your fault. It is what it is.
Senator Meacham couldn't be with us today.
이곳에 의원은 없었고 존슨만이 있었습니다. 스웨거는 이곳에서 자신의 무죄를 증명해야 했고
This is my weapon. No question about it, don't deny.
Was, however, an exact metallurgical match.
Special Agent Memphis, you believe I shot that Archbishop?
No, I don't.
Really trust me?
Yeah.
What the hell are you doing? Put that weapon down.
I swapped all the firing pins before I left the house. I always do. Out of that Bishop was fired from my weapon, but a week before it, a can of stew. At the end of the day, when all the dust settles, you can't hide from the truth.
Nice presentation, but none of it sticks to me.
Just take a look at these. Showing a village of people in Africa.
This is in the Horn of Africa.
These events occurred in another country outside of our laws. Have the jurisdiction to detain the colonel for crimes he may or may not have.
Again.
무죄를 증명했으나 존슨에게 법의 심판을 내리지 못했습니다.
For the record, I don't like the way this turned out anymore. Justice does not always prevail. Bubbly Swagger, you're free to go.
I said that's quite a shot, Senator. In the face. You should have seen the look on the Attorney General's face.
법의 심판을 피한 의원과 존슨.
You're gonna be out of the country in the morning. Going to Equest, did you?
하지만 이들에게 스웨거가 벌을 내리기 시작합니다.
He's under the floor!
United States Senator.
여기까지 영화 더블 타겟이었습니다.